What's going on, boys? Norm here. We're in the flavor lab, and what we're doing today, well, we are doing coconut curry mussels. Shit. All right, boys. So what we're gonna do, I got about 4 pounds of mussels in the fridge. I don't want to get them out just yet because we're gonna have to get our sauce together. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a sauce with, we're gonna start with tomatoes. I just get diced tomatoes. You can use fresh as you want. I'm probably gonna use 2. I got a third one out for Justin, just in case I fucking needs another one, boys. So we got 3 cans of the tomatoes diced. You can use crushed, you can use whatever. I like diced, you get a little chunk of tomato in there, delicious. We're gonna need about 2 cans of coconut milk. Doesn't matter what kind, just make sure you get coconut milk. We're gonna need some curry powder. I just use whatever you can get at the grocery store, curry powder, because I'm gonna kick that the fuck up with this guy. We're looking at the Candied Curry from Maritime Madness. Why, this is gonna give us a little extra flavor, a little tiny bit of sweetness, and a little tiny extra bit of heat that we want. So, all we're gonna do, I'm gonna open up these guys, get them into our pot. Then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get that cooking a little bit and get the flavors to kind of come together. Then afterwards, what I'm gonna do is get the mussels in, steam that up, pop them out. This is only gonna take a few minutes, guys. Stick with me. We'll be right back after I get this shit in the pot.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so I dumped in 2 of the cans of tomatoes, and that seemed to be enough. I got the 2 cans of coconut milk in there as well. Now I'm gonna get some of that curry powder in there. I'm gonna be liberal with it. I'm probably putting in about 4 tablespoons of it. We want that nice curry flavor coming through. This is not too hot. Then we're gonna hit it with that candied curry sauce, boys. Now I'm gonna use probably about anywhere between a quarter to a half of this little bottle here. Take that fucking top off. We don't need that, boys. There we go, she's about down to half. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the stove. And I'm gonna set that to simmer. I'm gonna simmer it for probably about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, just to let the flavors come together. Oh yeah, that's gonna be deadly. So I'm gonna let that simmer together, let the flavors come together. Now if I was doing a curry for like a vegetable, like curry stir fry with some chicken and stuff, I'd add a little bit of peanut butter in. I don't think I'm gonna do that with this one. Just not too sure how that's gonna play with the mussels, so I'm gonna leave it out of this one, but I'm gonna get this on a simmer. Then we're gonna be back a couple minutes. We hit it with the mussels, boil it up, eat, play video games, I don't know, have a beer, do what we do, boys.
Perfect.
Alright, boys, we're back. So what we're gonna do is we got our curry and tomato mixture going. We're gonna get our mussels in there. Russell the fucking love mussel, gonna have a fucking time watching this. Get those guys in. Still a little bit of seawater in that. Pop that top on. Get those guys on the boil. Back in 2 minutes. Alright, boys, so we got Marky in here doing fucking chores while we're getting the mussels ready. Rinsing some Red Bull cans and stuff, so that's cool. Not like we're doing shit in the lab, but like, I guess you gotta clean the equipment sometimes. So we're getting these mussels out. They cook for probably about 5-10 minutes. Just wait until they all open up, right? Now what we wanna do is we wanna get them into a bowl. After you make sure they all open up. That's really it. We're making a little bit of a mess here. Could be the day drinking, could be the, no, it's probably the day drinking. So then we're gonna give these a go. So let's have a look. All right, boys, so get one with a little bit of that tomato in it. We got our mussel here. Look at that. Steam still coming off it, probably burned the shit out of myself. You can really taste the heat from that. Holy shit. The curry's real good. You can get the sweetness from the Maritime Madness. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that's best hits right there, guys. All right, so give this recipe a shot. Let me know what you think. Guys, don't be going home hungry. fucking greasy.